Hello my fellow YouTubers, this is Dustin here, and I'm going to show you how to fix a couple problems with your Xbox. Now the first initial problem we have here, which I would love to show you exactly how the problem works, but I have changed everything all up and I fixed it, and I didn't feel like going back and putting it back into the same problem hoping I couldn't fix it. But here's what we do. Whenever you hit the power button on your Xbox with everything plugged in, it's just going to make beeping noises. Well, first off, it's not turning on, nothing's happening. You got an orange dot over here on your power cord. Okay, the first initial thing you want to check out is go to a friend's house, borrow a cord, don't buy a cord. Not yet. If you borrow a cord and it works and it's just your cord, your surge protector is fried, get a new one. It's about 40 bucks. Now the next thing you want to check is to come over here and flip it. You want to check your hard drive, and you want to come over here and just pull on that little slab right here and pull your hard drive out. Now after you pull your hard drive out, turn your Xbox back on again. Now if it doesn't power on, okay, now there's your next issue solved. Next thing you want to do is unplug the back of your power surge, and after that it's still plugged into your Xbox. Hit the power button until this orange light goes away and it's just no light at all. After that, unplug both cords from the back of your Xbox, hit the power button one more time to make sure there's no power in your Xbox. And here's the last and final issue to figure out what's wrong with your Xbox. Go around and search for all your USB ports. Now, I searched my USB port and I realized that, oh, let's turn this light off right here, my bad. It's too much light. I realized that there's one right here and then here's the other port. It's missing a guard. Now, because it's missing a guard, here's the reason why. You have your USB thing and look. Okay, wait. And isn't it crazy that what we're seeing right, well, it's kind of hard to, oh wait, no, never mind, there's a USB cord, it's a regular USB cord. Well, this guard right here is going to be inside it. Ooh, crazy idea. And now you can be looking through our USB cords if you can't figure it out. Sorry, you lost your guard. Now you can go back in here into your Xbox and you're going to look. You see those coals that are sticking up? That's how they're supposed to be sticking. Now if they're pointing down or they're pointing up, they're touching on a metal and it's causing it to short out. After what you do is you grab a pair of tweezers, make sure all the power's gone, and you pick at those copper things. You grab them and you move them and you put them back where they're all sticking up and none of them are touching each other and none of them are touching the walls. After you do that, look at all your other USB ports and make sure that they're all intact. If that's the only one wrong, you fix it, hit the power button, it should turn on. Just like boom. And here's the problem. Here's the funny thing. I had this issue 30 minutes ago. I figured it out, and you're welcome, YouTubers. I hope you all have a wonderful day and a great experience with this.